And in module 13, which is case studies, right? This is hands-on, get your hands dirty module, right? This is a module where we go behind the scenes to see some of, the projects that. All right, so in this model, right, we're going to talk about at least 5 case studies that I have experienced of projects that I've worked on in food and beverage manufacturing. So we're going to go behind the scenes, right? I'm going to show you some of the lessons learned, some of the things that I worked on, show you some of the templates and how, the thought process behind the strategy that was executed to, solving that problem, one or the other, right? And then I'm also going to include some case studies that I have for other food and beverage businesses, manufacturing outside of Nigeria. So you're able to also see what other, business leaders and other organizations, other markets are also doing as well, right? So this module is really a module that I intend to keep, again, also updating, right? As I do more, as I learn more, as I see more, I'm going to constantly share more. As I even get more questions, or get more experience, we're going to also have that, updated here as well. So basically, what I want to achieve with this module is to have some form of, reference material for you to see and learn from others' experience and see how they are able to translate all the theory and all the things that you'll be learning right in this program into actual results, and just to have some form of sense of what is obtainable, what is achievable, right, as a result of the little things that you would implement in this program. All right.